Hey everybody, Reaper of Hugs here again. Today we're going to be bringing you an unboxing and build of the TS52 GG Purple Series gaming chair from Technisport. I'm really excited to do this, and if you all find this video helpful and like what you see about the chair, be sure to use code HUGS12 to get 12% off any products. This does stack on the sales, and they do some amazing sales. Sometimes will be $100 off, and you can stack a 12% code on top of that. Also, don't forget about 3% of the proceeds of any chair will go to charity. Just click on the chair, check what charity it's going to, and support the charity. So let's get unboxing and building. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Technisport gaming chair. Really excited to do this. We had a Game Master Orange one recently, and now we're going to be switching up to this little guy. So let's dig in. Start off, we'll have our hardware here. Fresh, supple, comforting. Look at that color, the design. Very soft. It'll do the job. Squishy. I will say this is very well packaged. All right, after you have all the materials out of there, go and get into your instructions and find all the tools you need, and let's get building. All right, thankfully I've done this a couple times now, but I'll run you all through everything we're gonna do real fast. First step, we're gonna get the wheels fixed to the, whatever the wheel base thing, I don't know. That'd be these spinny boys right here. Take this, flip it over. I like set it on my lap, just easier. You just push them into the slot. So this, push it in. Next, you'll take this little piece, these 3 cones that are different sizes. Goes over like that. Next, we're going to take the seat here, place it down exactly like it's shown in the picture. I like to pre-assemble all the nuts and washers. So you'll have a lock nut in the middle there and a washer on top. Next, take this thing, make sure it is aligned the right way. It will actually sound the base of the seat here, which way is front. The front will be facing you all. And then it's got a little label here saying front's that way. So line up front to front. And anytime I do these, I like to hand tighten all the screws to make sure they're in there and that they can get aligned properly. It's way easier than putting one in, tightening it all the way down, then trying to put in the rest. So just put them all in and just hand tighten them. Then take this little hex key they give you and tighten them all the way down. And it's all attached. Now we're going to take the 2 armrests, make sure they're in the proper position of right and left. I've got the right one, which will go on this side. Again, the front is still facing you all right now of the seat of the chair. That's very important. We've got the left one is going to go over here. I just like to get everything situated, and next we'll put the screws together again. Same thing. Screw, lock nut, washer. Get that ready, and then we'll put it together. Be careful not to spill the lock nuts and washers. Again, this is how it looks all put together. Again, double check and make sure your right and your left are looking correct here. And let's get assembling. Again, just hand tighten these, and then you can adjust it in or out a little bit depending on how you like your seat and your arm position. I like mine more outside, so we're going to pull them out a little. And then we're going to again tighten them all the way down. Next, you're going to take this little part right here. You're going to set it right into that. It can be a little difficult. Oh, that's already looking good. Looking very sittable right now. Again, we're going to prepare what it says to. We have to prepare some of these screws and washers, so let's get that ready. Now that we have it prepared, let's grab the back and insert it into this right here. You got two holes right there, and they match up with these two holes right here. I notice on a lot of these, sometimes you'll have a harder time getting this in initially. You might have to push a lot of pressure towards the chair and squeeze the chair into it in order to get it started. Again, just hand tighten it. You should be able to just get it in there with your hands alone. All right, that last one gave me a lot of problems. For this one, it does say to use screw, put the washer in the middle and the lock nut on top. I don't know why, but hopefully it solves it. It worked for the other side, so we'll see about this one. Next, we're going to take these two pieces right here, and they will be going on the sides here. I believe this one that bulges out a little goes on this little side that bulges out more than the other side. The other side not. The other side's very flat. This side has a small bulge to it. You have these tiny caps that just click right into these openings right here and here. This little piece will fit into here. This will go slide under the chair here and go right over the top. That way you can adjust where your lumbar support is. And just like that, we've got the finished product. You have right here for your incline, decline. If you want to lounge while gaming, you can also adjust the armrests. They do fit your arm very well, in my opinion. I like to lean on them quite a bit, and they've got some good cushion. Not a ton of cushion, but it's still there. And of course, you can raise the chair and lower it. So yeah, that would be the Technisport gaming chair. Yeah, I personally do not use either of these. It's all your option, so don't feel like you have to. Just unclip them. Set them off to the side. Oh, this is very comfortable though. Really roomy for the hips here, which I like, and it just feels. Let me get in the gaming position. Oh, perfect. All right, I hope you found this video helpful, and it makes it a little easier for you to build your chair. Should take you about half an hour to an hour, depending on what you do. But if you're running any problems, again, just check out the video. And happy gaming, because I don't know about you all, these chairs really do help. I spent a month at my parents' house, honestly, between living at houses that me and my wife moved into recently, and I used a folding chair, and let me tell you, that thing destroyed my back for a month. So I'm really happy to be in these gaming chairs again. They help my back out on long gaming sessions, and I think they'll help you out too. You'll have a wonderful day out there. Happy gaming.